Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about the new Mercedes GLC Coupe, a sporty variant of the premium SUV that's set to hit European markets in July 2023. With the GLC being Mercedes' most popular model globally, the second-generation version comes with high expectations. The exterior design of the GLC Coupe is largely similar to the SUV, with significant changes at the rear, including a sloping roof, unique rear lights, boot lid, and bumper. The Coupe is 47mm longer than the SUV version, offering 545 liters of boot space, which drops to 390 liters in plug-in versions. The interior boasts wireless phone charging and heated front seats, while rear occupants get a separate sunroof for better lighting and headroom. The GLC Coupe will likely be available in the sportier AMG line trim. Under the hood, there are 4 mild hybrid diesel options, 2 pure diesel, and 2 pure petrol versions. The 220D and 300D diesels offer 197 horsepower and 269 horsepower respectively, while the petrol 300 boasts a 0-100 km/h time of 6.3 seconds. 3 plug-in hybrid powertrains are also available, all featuring a 31 kWh battery with an electric-only range of up to 130 km. The 6-cylinder mild hybrid diesel engine is confirmed, but specifications are yet to be revealed. Charging options include an 11 kW AC charger as standard, and an optional 60 kW DC setup that can complete a full recharge in around half an hour. Keep an eye out for AMG versions, which are expected to follow the latest C63's lead with around 671 horsepower. What do you think of the new Mercedes GLC Coupe? Would you consider owning one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more updates on the latest cars.